Hello, hello. Ugh. Let's try that again. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to another Monday's unboxing. Let's see what we got here. No barking, Dolly. Okay, we got Private Custom. Wake Up Your Wall. Diamond painting. I didn't think I ordered a custom. I'll have to take a closer look. A new concept. Maybe they just recycled the box. Yay! More gold tweezers. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, there we go. There was one little thing left. All right, kit. White, blue, squishy thing. Lots of wax. A boat, nice and large, but no pour spout. Oh, yes. Pre-packed drills. So happy. If anybody knows why they're called drills, please put it in the comments below. But this means I don't have to worry about doing this startup. I just have to put down the symbol on them. Awesome. A little bit of damage here, but that's not bad seeing it came all the way from China. It's a 40, no, it's a 50 by 50. I did fall out. I think that's for the gold tweezers. The cap. That's what it looks like. Yep. Okay. I'm just putting my garbage off to the corner. I'll clean it up later. Okay, a little bit of tape. Come here, my friendly X-Acto knife. Almost. There we go. Snip, snip, snip. Now, if you don't know, one Monday reveal, I got 2 cranes that I did not order. So I called the company back and they apologized and said they sent me the wrong one. So this is what it was supposed to be, and it's finally arrived. It is double-sided adhesive. I think I'm going to just unroll it a little bit so it doesn't, oh, that's an awful tight roll. Ooh, gee. It's on foam. I think I'm just going to let it roll itself back up again and relax on its own. It's not really much to see. Oh, it stinks. Oh, guys. Oh, stinky, stinky. See if we can get the drills out of the way. Oh, it doesn't want to behave. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but up here is where it's starting to do its thing because it was rolled too tight. Hoping it doesn't do rivers and stuff. This is the background of it. Oh, that's not going to work. There we go. I really don't want to unroll it all, because when I'm working on it, part of it is up here and then I hold it closed with these things in the corners, and then only a little bit is on the light pad, and I just keep rolling it up until it's done. So the extra usually falls off the desk towards my body. So, but I do want to relax some of it. I think I'm on, I don't know. Let's see what the letters are. I hope this is still in the camera screen. Let me move it over a little. Alright, so it was glue was put on left to right. So I'm going to be working on it sideways, because there's no way with this kind of tight roll I'm going to be able to roll it the other direction to work on it so that all the letters are the same way. There's 45 colors. The codes are all reasonable, but there seems to be a lot of grays. Yeah, there's a lot of grays. But I do like the guitar in it. Oopsie. Okay, let's flatten that. If we're going to be working left to right, I should be flattening the other side. I'm going to have to work on this sideways. I do not see me working up at the top corner here, reaching, trying to get these things in. Is this a square or is it a round? I forgot to look. Oh, wow. It's a round. Nice. Speedy drilling. Ha 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 ha. Well, maybe I can then do it that way, because you don't have to be as precise with circles as you do squares. All right. I'll insert a picture here. of the drills all lined up and with their symbols. I don't use the codes of their colors. I rather look for their code rather than their color number. There we go. Now I'll just let it relax on its own. I'll go put it on the dining room table. Thanks for watching, and I will do snapshots every time I finish a section and add it in. I don't know if I'm going to do any WIPs or whips, but we will find out. I do want to start it though. This was supposed to be an inspiration from my friend. I have a friend that plays guitar, and he's really is good. Like, you can listen to him and it doesn't irritate the head. So he's had a lot of practice at doing stuff. Let's see. I wanted him to do an intro for my channel, but he's been really busy. That's okay. Looks to be a lot of black. Let's see. Where's 310? 310 is 4,000. So, and it's hearts. The next one that even comes close to it. Oh wait, you know what? This here, number 7, has 57,000. 5,752. So it's not all black, which is good to know. What was I thinking when I ordered this? Look at all that gray. That's okay. Bye, guys. Take care.
And under lunch. What makes us here? Fresh out of evidence. Courtesy Sergeant Haymwood. So we're good? We're good. Good. It's good to see you, Eddie. Go live your life loud and fast. That's the plan. Mouse, we good? Yes, sir. We're good. You take chance till I got it.
Tammy. 21. Yes. Okay. Excuse me. Can I get another drink over here?
This is not the drink. Do you want to take it up to the room?
Maybe later. I want to go out. Gentlemen, lady. Thank you. 9,000. Thank you.
Ma'am, you've had a nice night. I'd like to offer you a car.
That's so sweet. I'm actually okay to drive.
Hey. Where are you going?
The city. I want to spend some of this.
You gonna drive? How many whiskeys do you have? 7?
I know you're counting.
Yeah, when I'm dealing with a drunk, I count drinks.
Find someone else that needs saving.
You know what? Knock yourself out.
You know what I pulled you over?
I have no idea.